Alright, today I'm going to do a card trick I like to call the chaotic prediction. So I'm just going to take the cards out of here and we're just going to fan out the cards right there. Alright? So we have our decks. And what I'm going to do is in this box I've written down 5 predictions. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got all the predictions. I'm putting them in there. I'm going to lock it up, put it over here in plain sight with the card box on top. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to break it, let's say there. It doesn't really matter where you break it or where you cut it. But what I'm going to do is we're going to cut these into 4 pieces. And the spectator, I'll be the spectator for now, can just shuffle these any way he likes, shuffle all 4 decks, or all 4 packs, any way they like. They don't know what they're doing, they're just shuffling it randomly. We're going to do the same for all these. And we're just going to make these 2 decks. And we're just going to spiral these around like that. And what they can do is they can just take off chunks of cards, flip them over, do the same thing anywhere. They just take off chunks of cards, flip them over. They can do whatever they want with it. They don't know what they're doing, so they're just doing it kind of chaotic. And we're just going to go like that. And we're going to start, and this is where our predictions come in now. We have face-up cards and face-down cards all through the deck. Wow. Well, we've kind of broken it into 2 sections. That wasn't what usually happens, but we're going to put that there. And now my predictions come in. So we're going to use my first prediction, which is 23 face-down cards. We're going to see if that's right. So since we got it kind of in 2 sections, we're just going to count the face-down cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. What do you know? 23. So we're going to take this and we're going to throw that out. We don't need that portion of the deck. On to our second one, which is 12 red cards. We're going to put right there 12 red cards. So we're going to flip this over and we're going to count the red cards. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Prediction number 2 right. So we have 2 for 5 so far, so we don't need these anymore. And now we've narrowed it down to this many cards. We're going to look at my third prediction. All black cards are spot cards. So spot cards are non-face cards. We can see here we have there's no face cards anywhere, none are hiding. No face cards anywhere. So we're going to go to my 4th prediction, which is all black cards are even. So we have a 2, 6, 4, 10, 2, 10, 8, 8, 9. I don't know what that's doing there, but we'll see what our 5th prediction has to say about it. We have a 6 and a 4. Alright, so now we're going to move on to my 5th prediction. My 5th prediction states the odd card will be a 7 or a 9 of spades. And it's called chaotic prediction. It is quite chaotic, so it's a really cool trick, and that's it.